Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we covered some text alignments with the help of macro, like how you can do the vertical alignments or horizontal alignments. And we also covered how to change the orientation or angle of the text, right? So, as promised in the last video, today we are going to cover the remaining parts of this alignment section, that is decreasing or increasing intent, then wrapping text, and merging and unmerging, right? So moving on to my VBA editor, I've already written few codes here just to keep the video short and save your time because these were very simple one-liner codes as you can see here, right? So I'll start with the indentation increasing, right? So as you can see, I have to first use the range. As always, you have to first define the range where you want to increase the intent, right? So in this case, I have written B2 to D9. So I'm selecting from here till D9, okay, the full table. Similarly, I'm increasing indentation by 2 times and then I'm decreasing twice. So it will come to the original position, right? If we move on to the next, which is wrap text. So as you can see right now, this is a long text, but it is overwriting going to the next cell because the wrap text is off. If I on it, it will be like this, right? So we'll see how we can do this with the help of macro. You just have to write the range where you want to on the wrap text, then wrap text is equal to true. And if you want to off it, you can just make it false. Similarly, if right now these are different cells, right? B2, C2, and D2. If we want to merge them so that, this looks like a title of all these three tabs, three columns. So we'll see how we can do this with the help of VBA. So very simple. You just have to write the range where you want to merge, then merge. And if you want to unmerge, then dot unmerge. Okay. Now there is one more functionality, but I'll show you this after I show you how all these codes are working. Okay. So I'll press F8 one by one to see the change, right? So as you can see, all the text moved to the right and it will again move, right? Because I have written 2 here. Now this will come back, right? Because I'm doing -1 and again I'm doing -1. So it came back, right? Similarly, if I do run the next code, which is for wrap text, so you can see now the wrap text is on B2. And if I change it to false, so wrap text is off here. Again, I am going to merge these cells, right? So B2 to D2 is now merged. As you can see, this is a single cell now. And if I unmerge this, you can see these are now three different cells. Okay. Now I'll explain you about merge across, what it does. So now if you would have noticed, I'm increasing the range from B2 to D9, right? So basically I want to merge all these cells, right? But if I do merge, like complete selecting this whole range, and if I merge like this, then there will be only one text left, which will be VBA training part 2 because it is the first text. But I don't want that. I want the first column values in all the rows. So how you can do that is the next part of the macro, which is merge. But after merge, I have written across colon is equal to true, right? Now this will merge them, but we cannot use this because you will get the error. So I'll show you. For example, I'll copy this for a backup. And let's say if I want to merge these cells, I'll get an error, right? So it will only keep the upper left value and discard other values. So what will happen is only the first upper left, which was number, remains and other goes off, right? So this is the error message that we get. Now to avoid this error message, what I have done is I'll show you in the code. So basically we will remove this because we will not use this. And so what I have done is I'm doing application dot display alerts is equal to false. So what this does is whatever the notification that came, stating that the upper left value will remain and other values will be discarded. So to make sure that we don't get that pop-up from Excel, you can write this code application.displayalerts is equal to false, right? After you write this code, I have again written the same code which I just explained to you. So B2 to D9, the full table range, and then I'm merging them and across is true. So I'll get a single value in each row, right? Okay, I'll now run this code. So first it will make sure the alerts are off and then it ran the code. So as you can see now all these cells are merged B2 to B to D, and only the first value is remaining in all these cells, right? That's it for this video. I hope this is going to be useful for you. Please let me know in comments if you feel any other topics I should cover. And thank you very much for watching. Please share it with your friends, family members, and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Have a great day. Bye bye.